darlings. Yes, it's been a bit of a tough week again, and I was talking to my girlfriend in England. Her name is Ahiranta, and they have a channel called the Happy Life Van and Drone Tour. Hello, on tour. Anyway, she's been so encouraging to me. She really has. And I told her that things were a bit tough, and she sent me a package. She has sent me a parcel. Look at that, to me. And I'm going to open it in front of all you guys and see what she sent me. I call Ahiranta my sister because you don't have to be blood to be sisters. Sometimes you meet somebody and you just know. And I know with her, we would get on fantastic. We really would. So anyway, I've got Simone's tiara on at the moment, the big emerald one, because I've got the emerald top on and the emerald earrings. But I have to be honest with you, darlings, I've been food prepping all morning and I'm absolutely worn out, and Lucy and I were going to have a lay down because I'm so tired. So excuse there's no real makeup on or anything. I am what I am, and it takes me all morning to food prep for the week, and it's exhausting. So anyway, and Lucy's been out with Bert in the car because I said to him, it'll take me 3 times as long to finish the food prep, so you just take Lucy. Did you want to play, darling? All right, so let's see what Ahiranta has given me. Big parcel. Big parcel. So, first I need to get scissors. It's hard to do things with a tiara on, it really is. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Come on, Lucy, come and have a look with Mummy. Careful not to... There could be something at the end of the package, you never know. Right, what has Ahiranta sent me? Oh my stars! It's a mould of an angel. Look at this. Actually, I think it's a fairy. No, that's a unicorn. Oh, Lisa will love this too. I don't know how to make them, but Bert will help me. Oh my goodness. Oh, a fairy door. A fairy door. Oh my gosh. Oh, a hanging fairy. Oh, she knows me too well. She knows me too well, this girl. Oh, fairies, fairies, fairies. This will be another fairy garden coming up, my darlings. Another fairy garden. Oh, I feel so much happiness. Isn't it amazing what joy can do? It can just take that pain away for a while. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's so beautiful. Look. Look at her in her little bag. They're so beautifully wrapped up. She bought these through Temu. T-E-M-U. Oh, I've done wrap one. Oh, look. Look. Oh, boy, am I going to have fun with these. And there's one. There's a green one. Oh, there's a blue one. There's my tiara doesn't fall off. Oh, it's exciting getting gifts, isn't it, darling? Lucy, oh, darling. I nearly knocked her flying when I got up. I love the way they're sitting. They are going to be beautiful on the shelf that Bert's going to do here. rubber moulds. Now we can fill them up. Oh, look at this. Little fairy things to put around their new fairy garden. Wait, there's more. Thank you, my darling. Don't you love unwrapping stuff? Oh, you're kidding. You're kidding. I haven't got one of these. Oh, it's the tiniest little table and chairs. Look. And the table. Oh my gosh, I'm going to make a new fairy garden, darlings. And I'm going to use all of these beautiful things. It's so gorgeous. And there's more. There's more. Oh, it's a little baby gum nut. And a gum nut. Oh goodness. And these are lights. Little tiny lights. Oh, thank you so much. It's made my day. It really has. So much, so much. I'll take photos of everything, darlings. These are going to be fun. Bert will help me with these moulds. Thank you so much, Ahiranta. You're the best. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And hi to everybody, darlings, and thank you for watching this bit. I was just so super excited. I wanted to share it with you all. I hope you don't mind. Lots of love, lots of love. Oh, sorry, Lucy. Sorry, darling. I didn't mean to hit you. Sorry, Lucy. I didn't mean to hit you. Sorry. Oh. Let me just check if that's right. No, it's wrong.